In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your payment method on Airbnb. If you've ever needed to update a card, add PayPal, or set a new default for faster checkout, this walkthrough will make it simple. Have your card details and billing address handy so we can move smoothly. Start by going to airbnb.com and signing in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for your profile photo or initial. Click it to open the menu, then choose Account. This takes you to your account settings where all your preferences and financial tools live. Inside Account, find the section called Payments and Payouts, and then open Payment Methods. Think of this page as your wallet on Airbnb. Here you can add a new credit or debit card, connect PayPal where it's supported, remove cards you no longer use, and choose which option should be your default. Availability can vary by country and currency, so if an option isn't visible, it may not be offered in your region. To add a new card, select Add Payment Method, enter the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit or 4-digit security code, plus your billing address exactly as it appears on your statement. Matching that address helps prevent declines and speeds up verification. When you're done, click Save. You might briefly see a small temporary authorization as the system confirms the card. It usually disappears automatically. After saving, make the new card your default, so it's selected automatically the next time you book. The default applies to future checkouts. Existing confirmed reservations may continue with the payment method used when you booked them. If you want to remove an old card, select it and choose Remove. If the Remove option is unavailable, that usually means the card is tied to an upcoming charge or installment. In that case, wait until the charge processes or switch the payment on that reservation if Airbnb shows that option. To add PayPal, choose it from the same payment methods page and follow the prompts to sign in and approve the connection. If you don't see PayPal, it isn't supported for your current location or currency. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure the name on the payment method matches your account details, enable any bank verification requests or two-factor prompts during setup, and double-check your billing zip or postal code to avoid declines. That's it. You've edited your